name is Lorelai, and I'm 9 years old. So my project was testing different liquids to see which ones give you the most hydration. I don't know, it's really cool to just discover and answer questions that I have.
My name's Amelia. Well, my project is what makes the best visible ink. For me, it's a thing where I can explore different ideas and try to make changes.
Being a scientist is all about testing hypotheses, theories, and questions. And that's exactly what we did today on our project. We did our project on various species, and we asked questions. How would they function? How do they function? What do they think? What do they believe in? What do they eat? And during all this, we learned more and more about species, social systems, and environments. And using this information, we were able to come up with a hypothesis and various variables and information. And that's really what being a scientist is about. It's about testing, experimenting, and working hard to gain information.
My name is Vishwajit Ramjianna. So people just call me Vishwa, so you can also call me that. I am 11 and a half years old. Being a scientist for me means helping other people, just like helping other people being a doctor.
I just always was fascinated with tornadoes. I get to express myself in different ways and what I'm interested in.
It's about which roof would survive better under tornado, flat roof or gable roof. I was thinking about designs and it just popped up in my head.
Picking up on new hobbies and learning new information, but making it also a little bit fun, like building projects like volcanoes, going in the dictionary to learn new words and get new information. I did a project on lava lamp density. I actually learned a lot about lava lamps because at first I was just stuck. I didn't know what to do, I was stuck. But once I started looking up more information about lava lamps, I learned quite a lot. It was quite fun.
It helped me learn that sometimes ideas can be wrong and sometimes ideas can be right, but you have to try all of it to get it right.
My objective was to understand why and how a sweater keeps you warm. It's so interesting and it answers so many questions that I have, like discovering new things, making new things.
I like science. Science is one of my favorite classes, actually. Even though it's kind of hard at first, it's cool once you get to do the board and stuff.